is my new 2017 fireworks stash. So first, I have these canister shells. These are pretty good, I guess. Some Blockbuster firecrackers. They're loud. I have 2 packs of those right there. And some whistling chasers. Whistling, actually, bottle rockets. Whistling moon travel. Let me see this. Golden dragon right there. Two fountains right there. Jungle Nights, that's a good cake. And another one of those. I got little dynamite. Those were cheap. And some spinners in the back. I don't know what they are. And one of these. I got crackle balls. Some. What is it? Let me see. Color Pearl flower. And I have 5 of those shells, actually. That was a good deal. And that's it for my show. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and like and subscribe, and thumbs up.